takes it.
1274, 1970 Plymouth HEMI CUDA two-door hardtop.
Now to the stage, a 1970 Plymouth HEMI CUDA two-door hardtop. And I want to clarify something. Earlier we showed you some of the cars still to come today, some of the real heavy iron. One is that custom 69 Chevy Camaro SS Coupe, Baldwin Motion's car. At the time I said it was a Chip Foose design. It is not. It is pure Baldwin Motion, an award winner. I apologize for that confusion. When we see the car, we'll see what it brings. We are expecting big things. Meanwhile, here is a D21 4-speed complete nut and bolt restoration with less than 100 miles on it. A matching numbers 426 Hemi, 425 horsepower CUDA two-door hardtop.
This is not a clone. This is not a recreation. This is a genuine R code, as they call it. 426, 425 horse Hemi. It's a 4-speed car. The green and black is a very subtle combination. Looks to have some nice optional equipment on it. The Dana 60 rear end, power steering, front disc brakes, shaker hood, 6-way seat. A lot of the right stuff. And already nearing 300 grand.
Now, I'd like to point out something that I've never seen before up front here. Commonly, when the hood latch comes down, it scratches the paint. Now, I've got this. There's this little piece of tape right here. My guess is that that's not original, that was just put there to protect this paint from the hood latch coming down.
Not original, but very appropriate. Galen Govier does a great job on these numbers as you see the bid rising, and that's what makes this car 18 out of 20 in Ivy Green. All the numbers are there, matching numbers car, the real deal. Number 336 of 393 Hemis produced in 1970. It's all about the numbers.
Boy, how about those numbers? $400,000. Second place in our top 5 sales today. That gentleman's done, but I don't think the bidding is. Gonna add 10.
If a coupe is 400, what's the convertible going to bring?
There it is, $410,000, $420,000. Somebody maybe thought a $10,000 ante would knock out the rest. Instead, somebody saw his 10,000 race. Somebody else saw another 10,000 in it. Love it when the folks around the bidder start getting behind them. Come on, spend, spend, spend.
It's not their money.
But this gentleman's not out with Amy. I thought he was done.
Bob, that's invest, 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 not spend, 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 please.
Check. Sorry, I stand corrected. Sell it, sell it, sell it. No, you got to raise.
No, we're well over.
We haven't won it yet. 450.
We're well over $1,000 per cubic inch here. That's a new measurement.
That's a way to look at it.
Oh, people are on their feet. The crowd has gotten into the bidding. This is great stuff.
450, 475, get him in, get him in, get him in. I'm a 450, I'm a 75, I'm a 75, all in. All in. I'm done if you're done. I'm done at 50, 75, 450, 75, and
Come on.
sold it, sold it, sold it.
Sold it. Oh, boy. And that was a gentleman he might have been done earlier. 450,000.
Keith, we're seeing something new here. A Z28, a Shelby, and 2 Hemis all went across in dark green for big money. Now, except for British cars, green has not fared well at this auction until this year. What's happened?
Well, to my mind, it's just the bullet effect, because my life is hopelessly wrapped up around the color.